Shri Matre Namaha. I wanted to update you all on what happened to the case that we were seeing at the petrol pump. Day before yesterday, our team went to the location and we tried to find the dog initially, and the dog wasn't found. Then after some time, we got a call from the petrol pump people saying that the dog has started to bite the other animals. Fortunately, we had vaccinated them, like you saw in the previous video, but she had started to bite. So we told them that if there was a way they could somehow keep the movement of that dog a little limited, we asked them to do that. And within about an hour or so, we did reach the location. And when we did go there, we saw that they had already put like a jali thing around the dog. I'll show you the video. The dog was already in captivity, and then we put her into the cage, and we decided to speak to some local people who do some sterilizations, etc. in this area. And they told us, they gave us the location, and they told us that we could take the dog there. However, what happened is that we realized that the dog might not survive. So in fact, the dog we started, because she had become very, very weak, and after the capture she had become completely, had lost her senses in a way, and the neurological degeneration was very, very quick with her. Her eyes were red, and she had started to be in dementia. So gradually, once we started transporting her, we realized that she would not make it, and so on the way she passed away. So it was quite tough, and while we really had wished and hoped that she did not have rabies, at this time I think we can say that she did have rabies, and all of us did deal with a rabies suspected dog. And the thing I want to tell you is that in the future, if ever you come across something like this, the thing to remember is to not get into direct contact with this animal without hand gloves to begin with. So do not come in contact with any such animal which is carrying a zoonotic disease without protecting yourself first. So do that. That is very, very necessary. And the second thing would be to actually call somebody who knows what to do. So we are trained professionals, so we do know what it is that has to be done. So that many people, I think there were some people asking me, not just on the comments, also some people ask me, but generally also people ask me, doesn't this dog need to go to a shelter? So my answer to that is no, the dog does not need to go to a shelter. The dog needed to go to a quarantine facility. Because if you take a dog with an infection like rabies into a place where there are many, many other vulnerable dogs, which is what an animal shelter's very definition is, you are actually putting at risk the lives of all those animals unless there is a quarantine facility. So such an animal does need to be quarantined in order to be checked, observed, and after that, if it does survive, then great, it did not have rabies. But if it does not survive, it probably did. And may her soul rest in peace. I pray to Devi that she goes back into the universe and from wherever she came, and that she gets relieved of all the karma that was there in this birth, and that she goes on to the next one peacefully. Shri Matre Namaha.